dips low, it's fading out of sight. The sky's on fire, a painter's wild delight. The cicadas hum, they're crooning for the night. Their fleeting hearts sing strong, their fleeting sparks ignite. Cicada sunset serenade the day goodbye. They echo love before they lift into the sky. It's all they know, their fleeting song, a lullaby. Beautiful bye-bye under a crimson eye. Leaves rustle softly as shadows start their dance. Cicada symphonies, a part of nature's trance. Their voices bloom and fade, they're lost in sweet romance. With every note they sing, they mourn life's fleeting chance. These cicada sunset serenade the day goodbye. Bye-bye. They echo love before they lift into the sky. Let's fly. It's all they know, their fleeting song, a lullaby. Beautiful bye-bye under a crimson eye. If we all live to love, then live to let things go. A fleeting moment song, a truth we'll never know. Cicadas fill the dusk with symphonies they sow. Maybe it's the leaving that makes the beauty glow. Cicada sunset serenade the day goodbye. Bye-bye. They echo love before they lift into the sky. Let's fly. It's all they know, their fleeting song, a lullaby. Bye-bye. Bye-bye under a crimson eye. Way up high, some say it's sad, might say it's bad. How fucking sweet, how fucking cool. If we all live to love, then live to let things go. Oh no, a fleeting moment song, a truth we'll never know. Love they sow. Cicadas fill the dusk with symphonies they sow. Let it glow. Maybe it's the leaving that makes the beauty glow. Glow.